Hi, I'm Terry Hatlin Stanley, and I am the Director of Sales here at Merrill Manufacturing. And we're going to take this opportunity to just go over some frequently asked questions on yard hydrant concerns. One of the first ones that I'm going to address is, let's say your handle is suddenly hard to lift up. So if you're having issues with that, there are a few things that it could possibly be. It could have to do with it freezing, depending on the weather, but we are going to address that situation in a different video. In this one, it's if all of a sudden the handle is difficult to pull up. More than likely, it is going to be because there is an O-ring underneath the packing nut and the packing gland. What happens is sometimes if this packing nut is over tightened, or if over time, once in a great while, that O-ring will pinch in between under the packing nut and where your operating rod is passing through it. To eliminate this situation, all you're going to do is take and put a wrench on the nut here and turn it slightly, approximately a quarter of a turn, counterclockwise. What that is going to do is raise this nut ever so slightly, and it will unpinch that O-ring. And that should completely solve your problem.